Why do you learn English? I think English is a very interesting and useful language. It helps me communicate with people all over the world. I learn English not only because of its importance and usefulness, but also because I truly enjoy learning it. When I can understand a new word or speak more fluently, I feel very happy and proud of myself. Besides that, knowing English gives me more chances to find a good job and get a high salary. Many international companies require English skills, so being good at English can open many doors for me in the future. Learning English also allows me to read books, watch movies, and explore other cultures. It helps me see the world in a different way. For all these reasons, I want to keep improving my English every day.